Okay, hey everyone. I'm Anthony, and I'm going to present my group's final project. I'm group 75, and yeah, here we're going to do our milestone slash checkpoint. So yeah, let's get to it. So we wanted to do a food simulation. So basically what we're doing is, what we've done so far is we were able to build particles. And the reason why we want particles is because these the fluid is going to be composed of a bunch of small little particles. And so what we did was added a particle class to the existing cloth simulation project, and we needed to basically have them render successfully, right, as a bunch of little spheres. And so we were able to actually accomplish that, and I'll show you all that in a little bit. So our future goals with the particles is to hasten the rendering process, so it's faster because even just a couple hundred particles was quite slow and slow down our frame rate. And then also have some new attributes in the particle class to emulate things like surface tension, and also increase the formula to calculate the things such as the viscosity and density of the fluid. Um, yeah, and next up, we some more important work here is within the fluid. We created a fluid class to associate these particles and customize those parameters through the respective JSON file. Um, and likewise, here we added the falling fluid physics to each particle. So this fluid obeys has a simulate method, which it runs to actually have the particles bounce around, the fluid move around. So our future goals, likewise, is to hasten this rendering process. And also, we wanted to add shaders to the appearance of the particles, because it's not just a bunch of balls in a pit, and we wanted to have the particles sort of um, merge together and come together to create the fluid. And likewise, and I'll show you all that right now. So we created a box, and the idea here was to have on the right, you can see the box to have the fluid fall into the box. And here on the left is how the fluid is actually represented as a bunch of particles here, and you can see the frame rate is quite low, so we want to change that for sure. But we think this is a great checkpoint because we were able to actually render the fluid successfully. We just need to customize the physics and how it's represented. But with respect to the world building, we are definitely getting a lot closer to have these fluids drop into the ball and kind of splash around. But yeah, that's it. Um, Thank you.